guys, I was just solving my 2x2 Rubik's Cube. I didn't see you there. And yeah, I can teach you how to solve this thing in like 1 minute and 28 seconds, I think. Okay, so first, you want to start out scrambling your root. There's a cube here. And yeah, just be like all like this. Then, you want to get yourself like this. Get 3 here. And then have this right in front of those 3. Should look like this. 3, and then front. Now what you want to do, you face it like that. You go like this. Yeah, sorry, you. Then after that, what will be solved? You just do that for a couple of times. And then you're gonna either have 2 or all of them solved. If you have all of them solved, then you're gonna wanna just wait for me to do this. But if you don't, you have this here. And you're probably going to have this here because that's very rare. So, once you have that here, you want to do this. You want to do this, 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 and this. Now, as you can see, I have all this solved. Now you flip your cube over. You're either going to have this, 2 of these here, or one right here. And I could pick any of these right here and put them into one of this corner. And it's already at this corner, so it's fine. After that, you want to go right, up, right, inverted, up, right, up twice, right, inverted. And then you keep it like this. If you have it like this, you go right, up, right, inverted, up, right, twice, right, inverted. And if you have one like here, you should turn that until it looks like that. And then you do that same algorithm. Right, up, right, inverted, up, right, up, twice, right, inverted. Now you keep repeating that algorithm till it's solved. Till yellow is solved. And then, it's not going to always be solved. I just got it lucky. Now, what I'm going to do is I am going to mix it up all over again and solve it for you guys. And tell you the rest of the parts. I just got lucky there. That usually doesn't happen to everybody. So, if you only have one solved here, if you don't, you want to do this algorithm twice. You want to do right inverted, front, right inverted, back twice, right, front inverted, right, back twice, right twice, back twice, and the cube will be solved. Okay, if you guys only didn't have anything solved, do that twice. And you gotta find one to be like, make it look like that. And then you do that same algorithm. Shabam. Oh, yeah, and here's the algorithm right here. It'll be right here. Okay, bye guys. That's solving a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Boy!